What's up? What's up? Johnny.
I'm Natty.
Natty right here. Y'all at the factory, as you can see by the t-shirt. Jasmine, Cody on the camera, Malachi on the camera. They behind the scenes. You can't see them, but it's about time for another walkthrough. We starting at the front. Trish, hold down our guest members and all that. She's in the building. One of the rooms at the factory, boom, that you can book. You need some privacy. You can close the garage door there. But like I said, this has become the unofficial home of TDS Radio. Ken in here, he doing his thing.
Make sure you say it though. TDS Radio, our voice, our culture.
Our voice, our community.
No.
Here we are in the kitchen. So the factory does have a kitchen. We have an in-house chef, Tim, MB Catering, as you can see right here. He holds us down for all of our events. All of our days during the week when you in here and you co-working, you working hard on equipment, he's just gonna show up and hand you a sandwich or something like that. Snacks. What do you say, snacks?
Snacks. I'm your resident snacker here. I will always be eating. Don't worry about it.
You got places where you can chill and work. Whether you need a table, more of a booth setting, a privacy area, and obviously this is a good space for events. We've done a lot of events here. Events have done well. Members get half off on their events here. So
you can't beat that.
Can't beat it.
Can't beat that. This.
Interrupt. Oh, excuse Miss Bernadette first. She's trying to walk off. Hold on, there go Miss Bernadette. This is our equipment manager extraordinaire.
Merchandiser extraordinaire.
You're always gonna see her over here making products, as you can see now. Now this is the reason why we opened the factory. So we wanted to make sure that entrepreneurs in retail had a place to create their products. So we put electric heaters for candle making equipment, soaps, body scrubs, different things like that. Bottle filler machine, lip gloss filler machine.
And not only can you make the lip gloss, but you can make the packaging here as well.
And this is really like I said, this is the foundation for this space, man. Retail entrepreneurs, folks that need to be creative, this is where you need to come.
And when you get here, don't worry, you don't have to worry about trying to figure out how to use the equipment. You will have training done to use the equipment. And then we're gonna test you on it so that way we make sure you know how to use it correctly. Because if you break it, you buy it.
Exactly, and we don't want anybody getting hurt, so you gotta pass a quick little test.
That too.